Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to copy historical data from Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo Finance. Use the search bar at the top to find the stock you are interested in. Once on the stocks page, look for the Historical Data tab. Clicking this tab will display a detailed table of past stock prices and trading volumes, ready for your analysis. After accessing the historical data, you can customize the information to fit your needs. Use the date range selector to specify a particular period, whether it's the last 5 years or a custom range. Next, choose the data frequency. Options include daily, weekly, or monthly prices. Remember to click Apply after making your selections to refresh the data table with your chosen parameters. Once you have filtered the data to your liking, downloading it is straightforward. Look for the download link, which is typically found just above or below the historical data table. Clicking this link will prompt your browser to download a CSV file. This file contains all the historical data you selected, making it simple to import into programs like Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. With your historical data now in a CSV file, you can open it with any spreadsheet software. This allows you to perform in-depth analysis, create custom charts, or integrate the data into your financial models. The possibilities are extensive for understanding market trends and making informed decisions. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.